So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'm gonna be doing up here. So first you're gonna expand HK local machine. Now you wanna expand system. Now you wanna expand current control set. Now you wanna expand services. Now we're gonna expand AT-API. So we're gonna scroll down a little bit till we find AT-API. Here it is. You wanna expand this. I'm gonna make this a bit bigger. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you've expanded AT-API, you now want to right click on AT-API and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this key controller 0. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase and no spaces I did. So controller 0 and then click on enter. Now you want to make sure that you're in the controller 0 folder. And then once you're in the controller 0 folder, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this enum device 1. Again, spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did, and the number at the end, and then click on enter. And then once you're on this, you want to double click on enum device 1. Now in this box right here, you want to make the value data 1. Make sure you have the number 1 in this box, and then click on OK. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Click on enter. And now this will come up. Click on next. Wait for this to load. And now this should come up. It should be saying apply this fix, which is now going to restore your computer and it should then fix your problem. If you don't get this, just continue with the troubleshooter. Once you complete this troubleshooter, restore your PC, it should now fix your problem. So in my case, I'm going to click on apply this fix. Next. Wait for this to load. And then once this loads up, you just want to restore your computer and then the problem should be fixed.